are here in connection with our ongoing national drive to create awareness against drug abuse. And for this, ANF has adopted a strategy of combined effort of Anti-Narcotics Force, all government entities, and civil society. And through this, we intend to have proactive protection, effective enforcement, rehabilitation where required, and creating awareness through various events. And to do this, we believe that each one of us has to perform its role and duty, and especially our youth and our students who are lately more prone and exposed to this menace of drug. They need to do their role and play a positive contribution in our fight against drug abuse. We in ANF will continue to perform our duty to the best of our ability, and I assure you that we will eliminate this menace from our society and inshallah from the globe. And for this purpose, we will continue our cooperation and support with all regional countries, international agencies, and will cooperate to eliminate this menace from the society. May Allah help us banish this evil from society forever.